Hello, welcome to the channel. Let's look at the fastest way to multiply 2 or 3 digits by 11 or even 4 digits. The fastest way. You can do this in less than a minute. Now it's very simple. So I have 44 times 11. Look at the first two digits, not the 11, the first set of numbers, the multiplicand. Now open those two numbers. So 4 here and the last 4 here. We open them. Now what number comes in the middle? We are going to add the same two numbers. So add the same two numbers. 4 plus 4 is 8. So your answer is 484. How many minutes do you use in doing that? You use seconds. Yes. Let's look at the second one. 612 times 11. Here, open your 6, open your 2. But with this one, since you have 1 in the middle, 1 will add to 2, then 3, and 1 will be added to 6, and that will give you 7. 6,732. Let me explain this one again. Open up just like that for the first one, 6, then 2. Here, because you have 1 in the middle, that 1 will be added to 2 to give you 3, and that same 1 will be added to 6 to give you 7. 98 times 11. Open up, so your 9 here and then your 8 here. Add 9 plus 2 and that will give you what? 17. So write your 7, remainder 1. You know, in addition, we don't write all the 2, we carry a remainder. So remainder 1 will be added to the 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 78. 1078. What about this one? 4123 times 11. Very simple. So open up your 4 and then your 3. Here, add 2 to 3, add 2 to 1, and then add 1 to 4. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 45,353. What will be the answer to the last one? Please answer it and put your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. This is St. Henry, a humble tutor. Goodbye.